What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I will be doing this makeup look that I created using the Morphe 3503 palette, and I'm really feeling this palette. Also, for this look, I use Juvia's on my face. I really like the consistency of the foundation. It's not like Maybelline Fit Me, if you want to compare it with something else. Maybelline Fit Me is more watery. The Juvia's is more like a clayish kind of foundation. So I'm really feeling that because I feel like I'm getting full coverage. I don't have to use a bunch of products, which I also love. I also use the ColourPop concealer. I don't know why nobody really put me on to that because I'm really feeling that shit. Like, the way it goes on my skin is so fucking buttery. It's like putting some butter on some nice toast. You feel me? Like, so finally got into with the Morphe M167 brush. I'm really feeling the shit out of this brush because it gives me a really good cut crease. I'm really feeling it's supposed to be $6, so it was worth the goddamn money. Better have been, bitch. Before we get into this look, at my social media, at my Snap, at my IG, at my Twitter, connect with y'all. I like fucking with y'all, like talking to y'all, subscribe, slit, you know. Tell everybody about me. Everybody know who I am. You can follow me. I'm also gonna leave the link to this hair color. I'll leave it right up here somewhere. And somewhere throughout this video, I'm also going to leave the link on how I got these brows. Check that video out. Another update in my bags. I feel like I'm talking to goddamn much, but I do have a giveaway. I'm also going to leave the link right here on this side so you can check it out. Go into my giveaway so you can get free shit. I don't know who don't like free shit. Like, it's not that serious. Yeah, like, you want to get a fucking lit and fucking popping, bitch. Like, it's good.
Alright, so my brows are already done. I do have a video on my channel. Go check that out. But let's start getting this eye done. This palette is so beautiful. Let me show you guys this palette. I'm loving the colors. So vibrant. I'm taking my NYX Concealer in White, and I'm going to cover my lid because, you know, you want them pigments to pop, of course. And I'm going to spread that all over my lid. I'm going to blend that out. And I'm using the brush to blend it out because I want all the products to be even all over my lid. And I'm taking this shade. I'm going to list all the shades. I don't have the shades in front of me. But I'm taking this shade as my transition, and I'm going to put that all over my crease. And I'm going to blend that out. I'm taking this shade, and I'm putting that on top of that orange shade to give me a seamless transition. And I'm going to pack that in, and then I'm going to blend it out. I'm taking this orange and I'm going to blend out that pink because we don't got time for them harsh lines. And now I'm back in my crease. You know, you got to put your colors back because once you take them out by, you know, using that brush to blend it out, you got to put your colors back. Now I'm blending out everything, making sure it's all seamless, perfect. Yo, like I said, I love this brush, y'all. Like, y'all need to go get this brush because this gave me the most perfect cut crease that I could ever get. You know, it's only gonna get better. But anyway, I'm taking this color right here. I'm gonna let you guys know what color it is. It's a pretty orange. My camera had died, so I didn't get to get that on video. So I'm taking this and I'm putting that on my outer lid, and I'm going to blend that out in like a V shape, making sure that it's all seamless. I'm also going to go on my crease a little bit to make sure it's all seamless and blended and pretty. So I'm taking this pretty as gold. I love this gold shade. So I'm taking my mascara. I got this mascara from Avon, and I'm putting it on my lash because I'm going to prep to put my fake lashes on, which is an option. But for me, when I'm doing an eye that has a lot of shadow on it, especially bright, vibrant colors, I feel like a lash is definitely needed. So I'm taking my products to my face. I'm loving Juvia's, like I said, and yeah, I'm painting this face. So I'm not sure if this is my shade 100%. I actually am gonna go back to Ulta and get swatched again. The person that swatched me, she didn't know what she was doing really. So I'm gonna find someone who can help me. So this ColourPop concealer is lit. I'm loving it like a motherfucker. Y'all not even understanding. Like, I'm really loving this concealer. Look how it goes on my skin. It's so buttery. So I'm gonna set a course because you know you don't want to be out here melting. You want your makeup to stay in place. So set, bake. Don't bake too long because you don't want to look ashy. I think I look ashy sometimes, but I think that's because I don't have my right foundation. But sometimes I think I don't look ashy, so I don't know. Tell me if I look ashy, y'all. So I'm going on my lower lash line with this pink and orange that I put in my crease, and that's really it. Something nice and simple. So I'm dusting that powder away, and I'm going to contour, you know, snatch these cheeks and carve this face because it's needed. Looks flat. Yes, duck lips, bitch. So, you know, snatch that nose. So I'm going on my lower lash line with my mascara, of course, because, you know, gotta make those stand out because I ain't got no lashes. So let's get to the lip. Lean on these lips. I got my NYX pencil. Forgot the color. I'm going to get all the products, and I'm going to list it down in the description bar. And I'm lining my lips as I usually do. Don't mind my lips right now. They're a little ashy. Why am I so ashy today? So I'm taking my NYX lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. I don't remember the name. The sticker on the bottom came off, so I can't even tell y'all. So I'm setting my face with my setting spray. Wait, I'm taking my Juvia's Warrior palette, and I'm taking this pretty shade of gold, and I'm going to highlight because I need to be popping and glowing. That's it. Like, there's no debate. So this is the finished look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell before you get out of here. Like this video. Leave your comments down below and share. And I'm going to see y'all later. Bye.